How to see your subscriptions on YouTube. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can see your subscriptions on YouTube. Now this is really easy. Using this method, you'll be able to see your subscriptions list on YouTube app. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First step, we'll update our YouTube to the latest version. For that, head over to your App Store or Google Play Store and search for YouTube. After you search for YouTube, if you see an update button like this, tap on the update button to update it to its latest version. Then you can head over to your YouTube. So head to your YouTube, and after you're on your YouTube, you will see a section that says subscription on the bottom. So it's that simple actually. All you need to do is tap on the subscription to see all of your subscription. From here, you can just select any of your subscriptions and watch videos from them. So there you can see all of your subscriptions. And yeah, that is basically all. Now you can tap on the all button to see the list as well. So there we go. And that's basically how you see your subscriptions on YouTube. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos.